Hello and welcome to the One Source PH. Today I will be teaching you how to create this beautiful three-dimensional graph using Python and some coding skills. So guys, if you are new to our channel, which is the One Source PH, please guys don't forget the four things that you should do. One is to like our video, so this video, share this video so that many students will be able to learn how to do the 3D modeling thing. Okay, so because they need that for data visualization purposes. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever we post new videos like this. So let's go and let's try to install first the necessary component of our project, which is the library of Python. So we are here, we're in W3 schools, and it teaches us how to make use of a Python library called pyplot, but it has limitations and it has other versions which enables us to graph more than two variables, meaning to say three variables, because this one also only enables us to graph the x and y axis, but I need a third variable. So I'll try to find a library that enables me to do that, and luckily it has we have a library which is called the Matplotlib or library. So there are instructions on how you can install the Matplotlib. And the first thing you should do is to check if you have already installed Python. If you have not installed Python, please install Python. And then to check if you have already installed Python and pip, you write this in your command prompt. Alright, and then lastly, this one. So we're going to install the Matplotlib library using pip. Alright, so it's an installation package for Python. So we can search our CMD. You can access your CMD by just typing CMD, and let's open it and execute the first command. So I'm gonna show you everything starting from here, from this code. So you copy that code and paste it right here, and let's see if Python is already installed. So I have Python 3.1, 3.10.1, and yes, it's already installed. And I'm gonna check if I have already installed the pip using this command, and let's see. I hope I have my pip. Hi pip. Yeah, there we go. So I have my pip. Alright, so the last thing that we should do is to install this one, and I hope that it gets successful and we can try to start coding, or well, try to copy some code from other programmer. So guys, I do not intend to copy your, or to have to stole your works. All right, so I just want my viewers, I just want my guys to learn how to install Matplotlib, and basically try it. All right, so let's copy and paste this code here in your CMD and hit enter. So it will do the installation automatically. So let's just wait. So it's, yeah. There we go. And there's so much. All right. Yeah, there's so much. I didn't know that this is very complicated. Is it done? No, it's not. Okay. So it says requirement already satisfied. Blah 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 blah. From Python default blah 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 blah. Warning, the script is installed, which is not a path. Oh. So warning, the script f2py.exe is installed in C, which is not on path. Warning, this script's font tools.exe are installed, which is not on path. So guys, you can access this in your control center. I think we are going to add path. Okay, so we can do that later. All right, so there we go. So if there are other settings, okay, I do not know how to do them yet. So basically, I will just try to use whatever whatever is possible right here. All right, so let's you are using pip version 21-2.4. However, version 22 that is available. You should consider upgrading by via this one. Okay, so this is the command that we are going to use. Let's try to use this command. And yeah, I think this is the only command that we need. So yeah, let's try to upgrade our nani. Okay, so that's not recognized. So we also install the upgraded version because it will increase the installation speed when we do that. So I hope what happened? All right. So let's try if the pip B, okay, pip version, if it change. Okay, so where's that? Yeah. So you write pip, then V. Yeah, we were able to upgrade it. So there's nothing to worry. And since we were able to install, so we can check. All right. To verify Matplotlib is successfully installed in your system, execute the following command in the command prompt. If Matplotlib is successfully installed, the version Matplotlib installed will be displayed. All right. So let's try this one. Okay. see. Import? Yeah, so I do not know if so let's try this one. Why not I try this one? Oh, what? Okay, so it didn't work. Didn't work. So how to check the version? So I think that this code should be executed in a Python document. I do not know, but maybe I'm just using the wrong code. And well, let's try other ways on how to check this. So I think, guys, we can use other methods to check whether we have installed the yeah. So here there is a particular instruction on how we can check. So I think we can open our coding tool, all right, and we can try to copy this particular code, all right, and you should see something like this. It says here, and we'll try. So let's just grab this one, copy it, and we can go to our Visual Studio Code and paste it right here, and make sure that your file extension is .py for it to be enabled to execute the code that you're going to paste. So, and you will see that there is some kind of error, and if you try to execute this using this button right here, so the play button tells you that there's an error. So yeah, invalid syntax. So because the only command that we want is what's inside the single quotes. Alright, so I'm gonna copy that and paste this instead. Alright, so you see that there's no error anymore, and we can just delete this and save it. Alright. Yeah, I like to. And I can run. And there we go. Okay, so blah 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 3.5.1. Okay, print the Matplotlib version, comma where the file is. Okay, so maybe this is the version 3.5.1. Okay, and it's where the file is located. Alright, so there we go. We were able to use this particular command, and let's see if I can. So how do I uncode or code? There we go. So it's running. And yes, there we go. So that's it, guys. So for this episode, I just tried to, you know, install Matplotlib and check whether it's properly installed and whatnot. And I was able to accomplish that. We also tried the simple version, which we get from W3 schools. We just copy this and paste this in our browser or in our code editor or text editor, and yeah, try to run it again, and you will see that it's running so well. So this is the first time that I actually use Matplotlib in plotting and graphing my the data. Maybe later on I'll try to explore more, because right now I'm not really familiar with how it works. But nonetheless, since it's working, I know that I can do a lot of tables and show a lot of chart and graph using Matplotlib. Alright, so guys, if you have any other question or comments, please, it gives us the ability to save the figure and zoom in. So that's nice. Alright, so guys, if you like this kind of video, let's go back to one source. You always visit one source, your one source of knowledge for your tutorial or online tutorial needs. Here we offer tutorials for K to 12, ranging from grade 5, grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. For subjects like biology, chemistry, English, Filipino, mathematics, physics, social science, religion, and music. Alright, so the page is, or the website is still in progress, and later, maybe as we go along, we can finish the website, because it also offers some practice tests or mock exam for K to 12. It will give you exam for English, mathematics, social science, social studies, and so on and so forth. We also offer some mock exam for licensure examination for teachers, which is basically right here in the Philippines, but I'll try to standardize this worldwide. Why not? Alright. So, yeah. So if you guys don't want to miss anything from the One Source PH, please don't forget the 4 things that you have to do always. And that is, give us a like. Alright. So, share this content, subscribe, and don't forget the main thing, or the main event. The main task is to click the notification bell and get updated whenever we post new videos like this. Alright, so guys, see you next time in our next videos here in One Source PH.